I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a folksy Friday. Viernes sociable. Have a great weekend.
Frederick High School is Mrs. Green, and we're here today with today's daily trivia question. Today's question: how long is your short-term memory? Is it 24 hours, 5 hours, 10 minutes, or 30 seconds? As always, drop your answer in the box below, and we will let you know the answer tomorrow. Thursday, today is Friday, we so excited, we gonna have a ball today. Tomorrow is Saturday, and Sunday comes afterwards. I don't want this weekend to end.
R&B, Rebecca Black. So chillin' in the front side, in the backseat, I'm driving, cruising, fast lane, switching lanes with a car by my side. Passing by is a school bus in front of me. Makes tick-tock, wanna scream. Check my time, it's Friday, it's a weekend, we gonna have fun. Come on, y'all.